Ready to spend that MX gift card, but it's not working? Don't panic. Let's fix it. First, make sure your card is activated. Find the activation sticker on the front or back of the card. It usually has a website or phone number to call. Follow the instructions carefully to activate it. If there's no sticker, check the documentation that came with the card. There's usually an activation instruction slip. Next, let's check the balance. Head over to the American Express gift card website, enter your card number and security code printed on the card, and it will clearly tell you the available balance for your card. Having enough funds may not be the only problem. Some online stores require you to register your gift card with a billing address. Go to the American Express gift card website, find the registration or card details section, and enter your name, address, and phone number. This usually solves the not working online problem. If you are trying to use it in person at a store, tell the cashier it is a gift card. Select credit when prompted, as it runs as a credit card, not a debit card. This can avoid confusion and potential declines. Still not working? It's time to contact American Express directly. Their customer service number is on the back of the card. Be prepared to give them your card number and any other relevant information. They can tell you quickly if there are any blocks on the card, unusual activity, or other issues. And that's it. With these troubleshooting steps, hopefully you now have your MX gift card working. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more finance tips. Good luck spending.